driving a combine for 43 years now. I've got a brand new combine, and I'll give you the keys. I've got 40 acres, and you've got 43. Now, I've got tractor, right? And I've got John Deere, right? Right? And I live in a farm in the middle of Bristol, right? I have been here for 4 years now, and I live here for 4 years. But I drive a tractor, right? And a tractor, like you drive in Bristol, I don't drive cars. I drive a fucking combine. I chop down that field. I chop down that field. And I call the grass. Right? And in Bristol, there's no paper. What? And I drive my tractor, but I'm not paper. Right? And he's a fucking wanker. He's a fucking wanker from Bristol. Right? Right? Bristol. It's a fine place to live, you know. Right? My mate, he's from Bristol as well. Right? Alright, that's it, end of. Truth be told.